Learn physics in 6 easy steps. Physics dominated science as a subject. This subject enthralled young minds and wonders about what they can learn. Following are 6 easy steps that we believe will help you excel in the subject. 1. There is no alternative to mastering the basics. Consider creating a graphical mind map that summarizes all the concepts and relates them to complex problems. To gain a deep understanding of the topic, create a map on paper and follow it closely. 2. The key to success is simplicity. It's hard for rote learners to learn physics, but once simplified, it becomes one of the most interesting and high-scoring subjects. Be sure to break down intractable problems into smaller parts if you have to deal with them. 3. Creating flashcards. Write down the new words, concepts you come across, and the principles and laws you learn about when you're going through various topics. Don't forget to keep them handy at all times. 4. Develop your math skills. Building a strong foundation in math is essential for understanding and excelling at physics. Direct relationships require effort, so you should work at them. 5. A good tutor makes a big difference. To do well in physics and even master it, you need a great physics tutor who helps you in simplifying the concepts. It is imperative to identify and learn from a professional tutor who is well versed in the subject and theory. 6. Use diagrammatic representations to learn the concepts. One of the best ways to study concepts and principles of physics is through the creation of illustrations. Learn all the relevant theorems of physics, which can be easily done through the use of diagrams and figures. Thanks for watching the video. Check the description for details. For more, follow www.homeworkjoy.com.